Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? NZD here, and I want to shoot this video and let's talk about what's going on in this world, because there's a lot of craziness going on in the world. You know, we got inflation that's going up like crazy. We got the CPI numbers that's going up like crazy. That's the consumer price index going up like crazy. We got gas price going up like crazy. We about to have food shortage. We got prices on food going up like crazy. So in this video, I just want to shoot this video because we want to talk about how can we get some extra money, some extra funds, and start gathering as much money as possible in a way that we can start even investing it in, maybe in the stock market, maybe in the crypto market, or different assets and different ventures out there that we can increase the money. So I want to do this video to come across a few different ways that you can earn some money for free. We don't have to have no skills really. You don't have to spend any money really. All you have to have is some time, a smartphone, or some type of device that you can use, maybe a tablet, a laptop, whatever like that. We're going to talk about how you can earn $100 weekly by watching videos. That's right, watching videos on your phone, on your tablet, on your computer. So I'm going to go into the internet. I'm going to go show you some of these different sites that you can check out that you can earn money that will pay out weekly, that you can put towards some of your funds, your emergency fund, your gas fund, whatever you have. So once again, I'm going to get on the internet and I'm going to show you some of these websites that you can use to start earning extra money. Yep. So what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? So now that we're in the internet, we're on a tablet or your laptop or your smartphone. The first site that I'm going to go to right now, we're going to introduce you. We're not going to go in any specific order, but this first one right here is going to be Earnably, and we go through Earnably. So Earnably, digital rewards and gift cards made easy. That's right. Earn instant rewards by completing tasks, watching videos. Remember now, watching videos. That's one of the main reasons why I'm doing this video. Watching videos and taking surveys is easy. And you get Amazon gift cards, you get different Walmart gift cards, and it's different things that you can do on here. And like you see, Earnably, they got offer walls. So you know, you probably go shopping, doing different things anyways. You go to the offer wall, you sign up for the offer, you get points. Those points go towards reward cards, Amazon gift cards, Visa gift cards, just all type of gift cards. And as you continue down, now you see you got complete offer, get rewards. So these is like surveys and different tasks. When it says, like the website says, we rewards our members with instant cash and free gift cards for completing simple tasks, watching videos, and answering surveys. So just simple things like that on your downtime, even while you're watching TV or you at work, you got some downtime, boom, plug in. As you can see, they give like an estimate of how long the surveys or tasks will take and how much points you get, and redeem those points. And these are the instant rewards that you get easy. You get PayPal, Amazon, Domino's, Dunkin' Donuts, Facebook, Best Buy, Airbnb, different places to eat, grocery store, Whole Foods, Barnes & Noble, and a variety of things. And you can earn, and you can see a lot of people already, you know, testimony, how they enjoy it. You know, earn free reward gift cards at Earnably. Join today, you know. So that's the first site that I'm going to go to right there. So that's Earnably. And if you're interested, you just go to the website, or I'm going to have a link in the description below, and you and I can both earn some rewards from that one just by signing up and opening up an account. So the next one I'm going to go to is MyPoints. Now, I haven't done MyPoints in a while, and they updated their website. So let's go through. So wow, look at that. Off rip. Join now for free and get $10 welcome bonus. And you can get that in Visa gift card or Amazon gift card. So boom, there you go, $10 right there off the rip just by joining MyPoints. And like I said, I haven't been on MyPoints in a while, but they updated their website. So let's see, earn points by shopping at your favorite store. So you can shop at your favorite store. MyPoints members get up to 40% back every purchase. 2,000 top retailers like Walmart, Best Buy, Home Depot, Amazon. So yeah, they really changed the stuff. So yeah, because used to have where you can just take surveys. And oh, there we go. Okay, so let's go. So they added more stuff. So MyPoints works at a favorite stores, so you can shop different stores, and they use promo codes like Walmart, like it says. What they got? Walmart, Best Buy, Home Depot, Amazon, and you earn points, you know, using their promo codes. And you can also earn points from purchasing. So wow, download scores and other things. So let's go see what else they got more. Get paid for answering surveys. So there we go, more stuff that you do. So you get paid for answering surveys. Earn points when you share your opinion by completing only online surveys. Share your interests in buying habits and leading brands. So you know, a lot of brands want to know your buying habits and stuff like that, and how they can make their products or their brand better. So not only do you earn points for going to the store and shopping at the store, but you can also earn points off of giving your review and your opinion of your experience at the store, the stores, and other things like that. Maybe even their products. You can probably test out some of the products and give a review, and you can earn points with that. And right there, that's more stuff. So I'm not signed in right now, but I'm sure they probably have also the videos, because that's what they used to do. You used to be able to watch videos on your phone, on your tablet, on your computer. So you can redeem your points for gift cards and more. Cash your points whenever you want to your favorite gift cards, or transfer to your PayPal. So you can go boom, PayPal, if you want just straight cash, PayPal to your bank account, or you can get all these nice gift cards, eBay, Best Buy, got Hotel, Expedia, TGI Fridays, Olive Garden, Bath and Body, and more. So even that, now you get the reward cards, right? So you get the points now. You redeem the points to your gift card to these stores. You go back to these stores. You shop at these stores. You earn more points by giving your opinions. Earn more points, cash them out again. Got more gift cards, and you can just do it like that. You can just rinse and repeat like that with that one. So that's my points right there. My points definitely upgraded their stuff. So I'm gonna have to log in and see what else they got to offer. The next one I'm gonna go to is InBoxDollars. A lot of people probably know InBoxDollars, heard of InBoxDollars. They've been a good one, been in a while for a while. So boom, they go again. $5 just for starting. So what's that add up? $15? I don't even remember if Earnably, did Earnably give something? I'm not sure. They probably give you points for Earnably when you sign up, or a gift card or something. But still, here we go. InBoxDollars, earn cash online. That's what InBoxDollars. There you go. Another one. Shopping and cash offer. You go shopping, you get them points, you get money back. You get gift cards. You do it by taking surveys, playing games. That's what a lot of people used to like InBoxDollars, because they got games that you can test out the games, and you earn points, and you redeem those points into PayPal, cash, gift cards. So like they said, over 80 million in cash rewards already paid out. And how it works, they partner up with big companies. They do surveys, they do like online shopping. They check how you shop online. They also do a variety of things. You can see they've been around since like 2000. I'm gonna do another deep dive into these websites to give you a more accurate idea of how these websites go and how you can earn points and rewards. So that's InBoxDollars, and you earn money in your box, and you can redeem it. Oh, yeah, we already saw that sign up bonus, right? So that's, yep, $15 so far just by signing up with these websites. That's $15. And then I'm gonna go to one of my favorite, which is PrizeRebel. And I did a video on PrizeRebel before, so I'll probably just leave a link for that one in this. And it's kind of the same idea, combination of all of these. Basically, you take surveys, earn points, get PayPal, cash, earn points when you take surveys, redeem over 100 plus rewards, including gift cards to Amazon, Walmart, PayPal, cash, a variety of other stores, Best Buy, you know, different places where you can eat, TGI Fridays, and just a variety of things. So sign up is 100% free. You earn points by completing short opinion surveys, watching videos, and you can redeem it, like I said, cash, and a wide variety of things. So how does it work? The website says PrizeRebel, you will have instant access to thousands of online opinion surveys. Complete them at your leisure. Redeem, earn points. So, you know, like I said, you got your downtime, just chilling out. Just log on to these websites. Some are apps that you can download, some are just websites, but you get out your tablet, your smartphone, and you can go ahead and watch videos and earn. So I'm gonna do another deep dive because a lot of these things you can't really get to. See her easy opinions, surveys, update real time. So they got like access to a lot of surveys. Your data is safe. You get paid instantly. Minimum PayPal redeem threshold $5. So as soon as you get $5 into your threshold, you can redeem that. And like I said, this is one of my favorite ones. They kind of change up too, but I'm gonna do another review on PrizeRebel because what I used to do was PrizeRebel used to also pay out in crypto, which is Bitcoins. And this is a couple years ago, 2-3 years ago. So basically I would take my payout would be like $10 or something like that. So I take it out in crypto, which would be like, I think back then $10 would give me, I say probably about 100,000 satoshis, which are fractions of Bitcoins. 100,000 satoshis right now probably going for like $22, $23 right now. So basically doubled it up from a couple years. So I just basically hodled those satoshis into a wallet, into a crypto wallet. But that's something to talk about on another video. But I basically was earning points through here and redeeming the points through cryptocurrency, Bitcoins, and just hodling on the Bitcoins. And you know, a couple years later, those are doubled up now. So I was taking the reward points, taking them out in crypto, hodling the crypto, and now they're double up. So PrizeRebel was one of my favorite. I think they still do it. So I'm gonna log in and do another update on PrizeRebel. But once again, you can get the link to all of these websites in the description below, as well as check out the video on PrizeRebel that I did and how I redeemed PayPal cash. I was able to do crypto, so I used to do like just do surveys and different things like that and earn like 200, 300,000 satoshis. Satoshis are fractions of Bitcoins, and I just used to stash it in my hodling portfolios, and now they double up. I really ain't even touched it like that. But once again, these are good websites. Get some money up. This is the time. We ain't got no time to be playing around. You see inflation, you see prices going up, gas. So if you got extra time, this is ways to get some extra money, pay for gas, groceries going up, groceries, you know, it's a lot of things going on. So we got to get to it. We got to get to it, and we got to stack it up, and we got to find a way to make it grow. So once again, it's AZD. Hope you got some value out. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That's about 3 or 4 websites that we just ran over just a while ago on different ways how you can earn $100 a week. That's right, $100 a week just by watching videos on your smartphone device, on your tablet, on your computer. So once again, I hope you got some value out of this. This is not any way to get any money to be wealthy or rich, but this is a way that you can start to build up some type of fund where you can invest it in the stock market, you can invest it in crypto, you can invest in small ventures. Maybe you want to do some crowdfunding, maybe you want to do some REITs, you know, investing in real estate at a small amount. But this is some way that you can start gathering some money and put them towards those sources so you can start multiplying your money, because right now it's the craziest time. So we have to create as much cash flow and get up as much money as possible so we can start getting ready for the future. Once again, it's NZD. Hope you got some value out of this. Talk to you next time. Peace.